Welcome to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. In the last video, we saw what frequent rains and extreme heat can do to a garden. We witnessed the weeds taking over the entire garden, searching for space, light, and nutrients. Today, we are looking at the before and after weeding. Weeding comes with a lot of work, but it can also be therapeutic. Consider pulling weeds like getting rid of bad habits, or discouraging unacceptable behaviors. It can also be compared to decluttering your life. Do that and you'll get this. The bad habits are removed. Unpleasant situations have changed. Unacceptable behaviors are discouraged. Your life is decluttered and your burdens are light. So the next time you have to weed your garden, think of it as life's lessons. Enjoy the rest of the weed-free garden.